Hello Year 4. Just a quick update to show you again how to make a basic maze in Kodu. Now if you remember, we use the hand tool and the first and second mouse button. So this is the right hand button tilts and the left hand button moves. So we're going to tilt the world upright as much as we can. And we're going to zoom away using the circular tool on the mouse, the little wheel on the top. Okay, put it down here. Now I'm going to go to the land brush. I'm going to take the land brush and I'm going to put it in the middle of the square. Then using the arrows, the left and right arrows on the keyboard, I'm using the right arrow to make the land bigger. I'm just going to make the land a lot bigger. I'm just going to click with the mouse. Now we've got the big land. Now I'm going to use the left arrow on the keyboard to make it smaller. Now I want it to be quite small because I'm going to use this to paint. So about there, I think. Now we're coming down to the land brush. We're going to go up to the left hand side at the top and I'm going to choose the red colour. I like to choose red because it's very different from the green, and sometimes we get problems if the colours are too similar. Excuse me. Now, with that brush, I'm now going to draw a very simple maze. I don't want this maze to be too easy to find my way around. I'm going to put lots and lots of areas that don't go anywhere, just like every good maze should have. Okay. And then we're going to come out of the top here. Okay, once we've got this maze, as you can see, it's not exactly popping out yet because it's still quite flat. So if I go back to the hand and I use the right mouse button, I can tilt it and you can see that it's still quite flat. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go across to the first hill, if you like, click that one and go up to the brushes. And I go to Magic Brush. And now I'm going to select the area of the land I want to make larger. So I'm going to just click it 3 times. But if you look, I'm waiting for it to all be the same colour and to be flashing at the same time. So I'm waiting for it to render. And then click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go across to the next one. 1, 2, 3. The next one. 1, 2, 3. That little bit there. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3. The next one. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Final one. I'm going to go then back to the hand tool and using the excuse me, the right hand side of the mouse, the right hand button, tilt it up, and as you can see now we've got this lovely maze that we can put Kodu in. So let's go ahead and select Kodu. We're going to click on the maze and choose Kodu. Then I'm going to right click on Kodu and then come down here and change size, and I want to make them a lot smaller, and that way the maze will be more interesting. Click the X to make that go. Then staying on Kodu, right clicking on the mouse and going up to program. I'm just going to program keyboard, arrows, and what do I want to do once they're done? I want to move. So when keyboard arrows pressed, move. And I'd like to see inside the maze, so I'm going to say more, always, view first person. Okay, so I'm going to press escape and come out of that. And now I'm going to test it. So I'm going to come down to this first arrow. Excuse me. Press that, and if I use the arrows on the keyboard, we are inside the maze. And we can have a look around and travel around and see if we can find our way through. And that is quite fun. Now the next lesson we'll be putting our monster in the maze, excuse me, which will be even more fun. I press escape to come out of this. To save it, I need to go to the house, click on the house, and I'm going to say save my world. I'm going to save my world up here. I'm going to call it Maze 1. And that's going to be the first maze that I'm doing. I'm going to call it version 1. And description, just going to put in here, lesson 1 maze. Lesson 1 maze. There we go. And hit save, and then it's saved in my worlds. Okay, so that's how you make excuse me, a basic maze in Kodu. Okay, goodbye.